Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and simple mask transition in After Effects. Let's get into it. Once you have your clip centered, you want to press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer. Right click, go to time and freeze frame. Then trim the layer so it lasts as long as you want the transition to be. Right click and pre-compose the layer. Select the masking tool and draw a mask around the object you want to use for the transition. Once that's done, click F on the layer to bring up the feather and add some feather to the mask. 5 is good for me. After that's done, we can adjust the position the object comes in from. Make sure to select the keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease them. You can then adjust the graph to make the movement smooth. Make sure to turn on motion blur as well. Next, you can double click the layer and add a white solid. Keyframe the opacity so it fades out with the transition. Once that's done, go back to the main composition and add deep glow. Keyframe the exposure so it fades out as well. Now you can play around with the timing and add more movement like rotation. Make sure you easy ease these keyframes too and adjust the graph. And that's it. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.